Yo, welcome back to the channel. Got another men's grooming review for you guys. This is Kingfisher Grooming Company's body wash. Stick to the end. I'll let you know if this product is meant for you or not. Let's jump into the packaging of this body wash. So basic up front, you got the brown, the white. On the back side, you have who the product is meant for, how to use it, and what's inside, the ingredients. Best part about the packaging is the pump nozzle. I mentioned it in plenty of videos. Keeps, the product from leaking out, keeps water from getting in. Can't really ask for much more than that. Let's go from packaging to cost and size. 18 ounces is what you're getting. $5 is what you're gonna pay. Pick it up at Walmart. It's a fairly new brand, and I'll leave that link down in the description. But for 18 ounces and $5, you're not gonna get much more and much of a better deal than that. Let's get into the key ingredients of this body wash. I'll list these guys right here. Highly important. Pause the video if you need to. Cool. Let's go from key ingredients to the scent of this Kingfisher Grooming Company's body wash. So Smoky Mountain and vanilla is what you're getting. Just extremely manly, masculine scent. A lot of vanilla. That's kind of what the end scent is. You do get that Smoky Mountain scent. So you get a little bit of a cologne type scent, and then it ends with that vanilla. It does linger on your skin after you get out of the shower, so keep that in mind. Not really to the point where it's gonna clash with colognes or body sprays or anything like that, but it does linger for a little while after the shower. But I personally love the scent, so I had no problem with that at all. All right, let's talk about the lather of this body wash. So this is probably the best part about this body wash is the lather. So extremely thick gel is what the body wash is. Lather is amazing, goes on easy, washes off smooth. It reminds me a lot of Native body wash, if any of you guys out there have used that. I did do a review on Native body wash a while back. I'll leave that link up here if you guys want to check it out. But it reminds me a lot of that, but with a stronger scent. So lather's on point. Let's go from lather to moisture. Moisture, no problems, no complaints. Did not dry my skin out at all. It did leave me pretty moisturized, but obviously you're gonna wanna apply a body lotion once you get out of the shower. Here we are, end of the video. Before I let you guys go though, I wanna answer a few questions I believe you guys would probably have. Number one, would I buy this body wash again? You guys should know by now, after watching the rest of the video, that I for sure would pick this guy up. $5, 18 ounces, just a solid, budget-friendly body wash. Like I mentioned earlier, it's similar to a Native body wash, but for half the price. So why wouldn't you pick it up? Second question, who's this product meant for? Any guy out there looking for a budget-friendly body wash, doesn't want to pay an arm and a leg, you get a good amount. You probably could buy, 3 bottles of this for the price of one, kind of mid-range body wash, and it would get you through, 3, 4, 5 months. So any guy out there, budget-friendly, good quality body wash, you can't get much better than this guy right here. That's a wrap. Kingfisher Grooming Company body wash. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Please don't forget, if you look good and feel good, you're gonna do good. My name's Adrian. I am the grooming guy. Until next time, I'm out.